CNBC just got exclusive access to the high-stakes world of semiconductor manufacturing, from ASML's secret Dutch labs powering AI chips to billion-dollar fabs reshaping U.S. industry. If you're an American in tech or manufacturing, Trump's tariffs could shake your job. And we're diving in. Like if AI chips fascinate you. In an ultra-secure Dutch lab, ASML developed the $400 million High-NA machine, the only one etching nanoscopic blueprints for AI chips used by Intel, TSMC, Samsung, NVIDIA, Apple, and AMD. It's bus-sized and only 5 exist. CNBC's first ever filming shows the tech revolution. For Americans, this is the backbone of U.S. AI dominance, but tariffs threaten the supply chain. Meanwhile, TI's building a $60 billion mega project in Texas and Utah, with Apple committing to U.S.-made chips for iPhones. CNBC toured the Sherman fab, 7 total, supplying NVIDIA and Ford. Despite tariff hits and market share losses, TI leaders are bullish. This reshapes American manufacturing, creating high-tech jobs here. Apple unveiled the iPhone 16 with custom chips, A19 Pro SoC for AI workloads, and One networking and C1X modem, ditching Broadcom and Qualcomm. CNBC interviewed Apple execs on controlling core iPhone tech. This move boosts U.S. innovation, but signals shifts in global chip supply. Tying it together, ASML's tech drives AI jobs. TI's fabs mean U.S. manufacturing boom. Apple's chips create demand for engineers, but tariffs could cause layoffs. Advice: upskill in semiconductors or AI. Opportunities in Texas or Utah fabs. Americans, this race favors innovators. Trump's tariffs loom over ASML's machines and TI's projects. Without them, no advanced chips. CNBC highlights the risks. Supply chain disruptions could hit U.S. jobs hard. Stay informed. Adapt to protect your career. Let's talk about facts. ASML's High-NA is EUV's latest, vital for AI. TI's fab is $60 billion for U.S. chips. Apple's chips prioritize AI. Tariffs? Risky for supply chains. Bigger picture, global race boosts American careers in semiconductors. Embrace the tech shift. There you have it, semiconductor secrets decoded. If this changes your job outlook, smash like, subscribe, and share with tech friends. Comment, ready for AI chip jobs.